Welcome to our channel. Remember when we discussed the design of the Mavic 4 Pro in our last video? Well, new leaks have surfaced, giving us a closer look at the specs of DJI's next flagship drone. Thanks to Jasper Ellen, we've got some exciting updates to share. Let's break it all down. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to have an impressive 52-minute flight time, up from the Mavic 3 Pro's 43 minutes. That's an extra 9 minutes in the air, which may not sound huge but makes a big difference for drone pilots. More time means fewer battery swaps and more opportunities to capture the perfect shot. One standout feature is the rumored stepless electronic ND filters. No more swapping physical filters. This upgrade offers better image control, reduces the gear you need to carry, and simplifies your workflow. Definitely a win for professionals. A 100-megapixel image sensor is another highlight. While megapixels aren't the only factor in image quality, this could mean sharper, more detailed aerial shots. The real test will be how well it performs in low light and handles dynamic range. DJI is set to upgrade its transmission tech with OcuSync 4 Plus. It's expected to offer better range and live feed quality. Considering the current OcuSync 4 on the Air 3 supports 32 kilometers under FCC regulations, we might even see 4K 30 frames per second live feed capabilities like the Inspire 3. The Mavic 4 Pro is likely to come with a DJI RC2 controller, featuring a 5.5-inch, 700-nit display. This pro-grade remote already supports OcuSync 4 and should be ready for OcuSync 4 Plus, making it an excellent combo for serious aerial videographers. The drone is expected to weigh around 1,045 grams, slightly heavier than its predecessor. The added weight is likely due to a larger camera module, built-in ND filters, and an upgraded battery with higher capacity. Rumors suggest an April 2025 release. However, with FCC filings and leaks intensifying, an earlier launch wouldn't be surprising. DJI seems to be moving quickly toward finalizing the Mavic 4 Pro. So, that's the latest on the Mavic 4 Pro. Which feature are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.